Hey Trailblazers, welcome back to the Declarative Academy, your go-to guide for mastering Salesforce without writing a single line of code. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us. We take those trailhead modules and break them down into real-world examples with clean steps and a touch of storytelling, so you can build your skills with confidence, not confusion. Today, we're diving into a feature that can seriously level up your support game. Adding the Softphone utility to the Lightning Service console, it's a total win for support teams like Ada Baliwas at Ursa Major Solar, who need to connect with customers fast without ever leaving Salesforce. Here's what you'll be able to do by the end of this tutorial. Install the Open CTI demo package. Set up and configure a Salesforce call center. Create and assign a custom Softphone layout. Add the phone utility to your Lightning console. And, of course, test it all to make sure it works like a charm. Let's jump in and start by installing the Open CTI package. To simulate phone calls in your org, we'll start by installing the Open CTI demo package in your Trailhead playground. Here's how. Scroll to the bottom of the Trailhead module and click Launch. Look for the tab labeled Install a Package and click it. Paste in this package ID, copy and paste from the Trail brief. Click Install, choose Install for all users, then confirm. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation message and get an email letting you know the package is ready to go. If you don't see that Install tab, no worries. Just open the Playground Starter from the app launcher and follow the prompts to install a package manually. Next, we're switching gears for a moment into Salesforce Classic. Some setup steps still live there, so here's what to do. Click your profile icon and choose Switch to Salesforce Classic. From the top right, head into Setup. In the quick find box on the left, type Call Centers. Click it, then hit Continue if prompted. Find the Demo Call Center adapter, click Del, and confirm the deletion. Now it's time to import the real config. On the module page, right-click the callcenter.xml link, select Save Link As, and download it. Back in Classic, click Import. Upload the file you just downloaded, then click Import. Once imported, make sure both CTI adapter URL and CTI adapter URL2 are set to Manage an Apex demo adapter page. Then scroll to Call Center Users, click Manage Call Center Users, choose Add More Users and click Find. Select yourself and Ada Balewa, then click Add to Call Center. Nice work. Now go ahead and switch back to Lightning Experience to get back to the good stuff. Now, we'll define what your users see when they use the Softphone. From Service Setup Home, type Softphone Layouts in the Quick Find box. Click it, then click New. Name it Softphone Layout Assignment. Under Display these Salesforce .om objects, click Add Remove Objects, remove lead and add case. Leave everything else as is and hit Save. Now, assign it to the right profiles. Click into the layout you just created. Choose Assign to Profiles. Assign it to Custom, Support Profile, System Administrator. Click Save, and layout setup is complete. Let's make sure everything works as expected. Open the app launcher and go to Ursa Major Solar Service console. Look at the bottom left. Click the phone icon in the utility bar. Don't see it? Try refreshing. Pop up in the way? Just close it. When the Softphone loads, log in using any username and password. This is a sandbox demo, so no need for real credentials. Now, try this. In the Softphone, type Jack and press Enter. Click Jack Rogers to open the contact as the call connects. Hit End to hang up. Then simulate an incoming call by clicking the phone icon in the top right and click Decline. That's it. You're up and running. Let's recap what you just accomplished while you verify your steps. You used the utility bar to give your team quick access to the Softphone. You installed and configured Open CTI to simulate call activity. You created a clean, focused Softphone layout, tailored for support agents. And now your service console is ready to handle calls, open records, and keep agents in flow, all in one place. Powerful stuff, right? If this walkthrough helped you bring the Softphone to life, give us a like and drop a comment. We'd love to hear how it's working for you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the Declarative Academy for more no-code know-how, hands-on Salesforce tips, and certification-friendly tutorials. Thanks for spending time with us today, and as always, keep it declarative. We'll see you in the next one.